Freaking A. Need this thing to warm up. Dude, I'm so ready to ride. Alright. Alright, the bike feels pretty good. She sounds good. Come on, come on. All right, it is a beautiful day. Oh man, I hope they have 93. They haven't in the past time or two. Hopefully they do. Oh God, they're out. Frickin' frick. Well, we will have to get some gas somewhere else. I probably have enough to get me to close to where we're going. So he believed me and didn't. I don't guess he could have gave me a ticket anyway, but well, I got you. Well, I was like, I ain't doing that right now. Get these pretty shots of this water here. Dude, bro, it is such a nice day though. I just want to freaking play though. Like, I want to play. I'm about to. I'm wanting to get back to the old me wheelies. But I'm so afraid of balance point with old age. Damn Harley's getting it. Bro, he might have your daddy. Bro, he's legit fucking flying. I got it on video. I mean, he's fucking cruising, pal. He's gonna drag a floorboard here in a minute. Yo! God, it feels good, don't it? I'm sure people have. Oh God. We're turning right fucking here, right there, this one. I mean, it kind of looks like somebody's fucking driveway. I have no idea, bro. Looks like a good... Oh God, my nuts. Ah! Oh God. Oh! Oh, there's a pothole. iPhone. I'm sliding. There's gravel everywhere. It's got a good view there, bro. I'm taking you the scenic route. Right here on the right is area 51. Bro, look, what the fuck are you talking about, man? Look at these views. Look at these views. I mean, it reminds me of like one of those back roads in Gatlinburg. Yeah, if this was freshly paved and smooth, this would be an epic like bike road. No. America. All I know is there was a way that was like 10 minutes faster, but it didn't take you around the lake. And I was like, well, I'd like to at least go around the lake, you know. So I was like, I'll go the 10 minutes longer route to get around the lake. And then when we leave this gas station, we'll actually be on 421 and ride the tail of it, you know, back into Mountain City. But this is interesting. This would be a shit place to run out of gas. Like, I don't even know. Well, we don't even have cell phone service. I feel like I'm gonna come up on a hairpin though and die. Yeah, I think we got a pretty big one coming up here. Grandpa's got the world on. Oh shit! Yeah, a little deep one there. Bro, I have certainly taken us on the scenic route. It's pretty through here. Oh shit, it's a big one. Oh shit, I'm scared. I don't know my limits. Oh, the mower's in the road. $50. Bro. I mean, it feels phenomenal out here. Oh man. There it is. Look at all the bikes, bro. I'm gonna turn right, I think. Where you wanna go park at? Well, let's at least pull in over here and then we'll pull back over here or something. Shit. There's a bunch. Where are we going? We're going right here. Bro, this is a popping place to be, ain't it? Oh. Do you feel like a noob in jeans? Yeah, I'd like to see you on a fucking bagger right now. You wouldn't be having any fun. Stick that knee out, drag that bitch. Sounds good, bro. I haven't been behind you any today. It sounds rad. Well, damn. Come on, bro. Be considerate. I'm right behind you. I was right behind you. Oh shit. God, this is a badass road, ain't it? Next time we'll have to come through Boone and then just ride the whole thing to Bristol. I like the speed, it's perfect. Just enough to scare me a little, but not feel like I'm gonna die. Just enough to make you a little nervous. Fucking, oh, this is like, wow, I bought a sport bike. I'm so happy right now. Whew. Your damn 360's pointed straight at the sky. Yeah, it's vibrated back. If you want to slow down and fix it, we can. There you go. Now she's looking at me. Yep. Yeah, damn, this dude fucking hanging off the seat like a four-wheeler. Did you see that tire? It was off the ground. Oh shit. That Harley's fast, but it don't lean that far. Oh, I know, I'm like, fuck. I'm getting some rad footage of you. I'm sure this is a pretty good video. I know. I was like, I hope that ain't a cop. I don't think it was. It looked like it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I'm getting there. I can't hear you. Oh, were they? Oh, God. My booty's getting a little sore, pal. My booty scooter.